You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this feature in America. If you want to learn more names from geography, that can be a bit confusing. Stay tuned, we'll get them all at the end of the video. Gulf, that's how you pronounce it. Gulf. Gulf of Mexico, that's the English pronunciation. Of course, in Spanish, it's the name of the country is Mexico. But in English, Gulf of Mexico, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.